duet, like ABODAFI. We leading the scene, from the street to Tagbilaran to them tropical dreams. Every class is a battle, we come in like machines. Dance, fitness, and Bohol, yeah, we breaking routines. We got the sweat dripping, but we ain't slowing down. Instructors on a mission, lifting up the whole town. It's more than just the moves, it's the vibe that surrounds. ABODAFI running things, yeah, we wearing the crown. ABODAFI, we keeping it live. Across Bohol, we taking that drive. From Panglao's beaches to the hills, we thrive. Dance, fitness, forever, man, we never deprive. In the barrios and towns, man, we light up the floor. Teaching dance like a storm, always bringing more. From the cha-cha to hip-hop, what you aim for. Bohol's got that energy, it's hard to ignore. We out here changing lives with every beat. Transforming the tire, putting fire in their feet. Instructors got the heart, yeah, we never retreat. ABODAFI reppin' strong, bringing heat to the street. ABODAFI, we keeping it live. Across Bohol, we taking that drive. From Panglao's beaches to the hills, we thrive. Dance, fitness, forever, man, we never deprive. We hustling, striving, taking it far. No matter the place, we raising the bar. From Loboc to Anthem, wherever we are, we dancing like stars, brighter than any car. Classes in the plaza, or right by the sea. ABODAFI, that's where you wanna be. Sweating with the crew, feeling wild and free. Turning moves into moments, making history. Ain't no limit, we break every wall. Teaching dance fitness to one and all. From sunrise to sunset, we answer the call. Bohol's dancing dynasty and we'll never fall. ABODAFI, we keeping it live. Cross Bohol, we taking that drive. From Panglao's beaches to the hills, we thrive. Dance fitness forever, man, we never deprive. Bitchin' in the now, say